Hello, hello. I have an open house scheduled at 6787 East Big Spur Circle, Saturday, March 29th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. This is going to be hosted by our very own Sabina Maliker, and she would love to show you this fabulous three-car garage with great landscaping in front and back, Energy Star certified home. We have two living room areas. Off this foyer area, there's going to be a living room to your right. It's going to have new carpet. There is a formal dining area just for your dining room table. Look at that bay window. It has great space for a much larger dining table. Off the kitchen is another living room, so it's going to be open to the kitchen. The kitchen has granite countertops, and the granite countertops are throughout. It's also in the bathrooms. Great backsplash, high-low cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, a gas stovetop. It is a great home. You must see this. So go on by Saturday from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and let Sabina show you this property. Oh, and if you can't make it out there, just give me a call. More than happy to give you further information or maybe schedule a private showing. See you out there. Bye bye.